Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a repository in GitHub. To create a repository in GitHub, start by logging in to your GitHub account. Once you finish that, and once you're on your dashboard, click the plus icon in the top right corner. Then select New Repository. Here, you'll need to fill out some details. First is give your repository a name, and optionally, add a short description of what it's all about. You can then choose whether to make it public or private, depending on who you want to have access. Next, you can initialize it with a README file, or add a gitignore template, or even add in a license if you plan to share this publicly. When everything looks good, click Create Repository. GitHub will automatically generate your new repository, and you can start uploading files or clone it to your local machine. It's just that simple. You've just created your very first GitHub repository, ready to host your code and track your project's progress. And that's how to create a repository in GitHub.